Hello everyone, let's complete with our series. Now we have lecture number 2 where we will learn about the different types of machine learning. Let's begin. Code categorization. Machine learning is typically categorized into three main types based on the kind of data and feedback provided during training. First we have the supervised learning. It learns from labeled data, which is input with correct output. Each training example is a pair, input and correct output. Goal: learn a function that maps inputs to the desired outputs. Examples: spam detection, email, spam or not spam. Predicting house prices, features, price. Some of the algorithms that use it: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, support vector machines, k nearest neighbors. Do not worry if these algorithms are new to you. We will be learning about these algorithms later in our course. At second number we have unsupervised learning, which is learned from unlabeled data, only input, no output. The model tries to discover hidden patterns or structure, no ground truth labels provided. Alright, so there is no supervision here in regards to learning. The model basically learns from unlabeled data where it only has input and no output, hence why it is called unlabeled data. And basically that's how the unsupervised learning works. Let's look at a few examples to make you understand this in a more clear way. So grouping customers by behavior, we're sorting the customers by their behavior, not by their name or any other fields that they are defined with, in terms of labeling. Then we have market segmentation, we have topic modeling, and these are the basic examples in order to show you the unsupervised learning. Then we have some algorithms that support it, which are k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, principal component analysis, which is PCA. We have DB scan. These are some of the algorithms. And at last we have reinforced learning or reinforcement learning. So in this we learn by interacting with an environment directly. Alright. An agent makes decisions and receives rewards or penalties. Goal: to learn a strategy or a policy to maximize cumulative rewards over time. Alright. So basically in this you are learning by doing, right? You are learning by interacting it. The model is learning by interacting. That's why it's called reinforcement learning. In this, an agent takes a decision, and based on that decisions we reward it or we put a penalty. Alright, if it's reward, the action it did was a correct one. If it was penalized, the action it performed was not the correct action. For example, we have game playing where we play chess, we play Go, we play Atari games. We have robotics where we have navigation, control. We have recommender systems with dynamic adjustment. So these were the few examples where we use the reinforcement learning. Now some key concepts: agent, environment state, action, reward, trial and error learning, delayed rewards, and long-term planning. So I think these are pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I'll just mention them so it makes clear to you about what reinforcement learning is.